I'll take you back a little bit. It all started on the 20th of February 2020, a time we all thought COVID is only something far away in China. I was heading away on one of the greatest adventures of my life, but something went wrong. I went to the last basketball training before our departure to the US, and guess what happened? I tore a ligament in my knee 3 days before I was due to fly.
Som si natrhol tento vnútorný väz na kolene.
The doctor said the duration of treatment would be at least 3 weeks. But I kept believing I would still ski in Colorado. Just imagine the feeling that you are flying to America to ski, but you don't know if you will be actually able to ski. The second day of the trip, I tried to get on my skis and ski down the slope in the Rocky Mountains. And I did it.
With our highest score of the entire week and night.
Looking at it now, it was a huge risk. But what was I supposed to do when I had such a great opportunity to ski in Colorado? And yes, there were also difficult parts of this adventure. In such situations, you must stay strong and always remember that there is still hope. The same now, in these difficult times. Stay strong, because the hope that we will be able to travel again and experience adventures is still alive. It was an awesome adventure. Thank you, Auntie Sue and Uncle Peter, and yeah, thank you for watching.